This is regarding Leetcode 78. Leetcode 78 is to find all subsets for a given list. Let's use an example to see what this topic is about. Assume we have a 4-member list. We wanted to find all sublists of this list. This sublist will include empty sublist, 1-member sublist, 2-member sublist, 3-member sublists, and until 4-member sublist. So let's see how we do that by manually. If we need to do that by manually, we can first get all the empty sublist and full member sublist, because it should only have one. We can just get it very easily. And then we can get 1-member, which is by picking out 1 member from the list. Then the rest left over will be sublist for 3 members. So we, by order, pick 1 member and then next member, then next member, then the last member. So we got all the combination for 3 members of sublists. After we got all 3 members, we can get 2 members of sublists from the 3-member sublist. So we can use the same method. Just pick 1 member from 3-member sublists. Then you got 2 leftover members as 2-member sublists. You gradually get 1 by 1. Then after you finish first 3-member sublists, you go to next one. Then you got all 2 members of sublists from these 3 members of sublists. Then you go to next one. Then get 2 members of sublists, then go to last one. So this is a manual way. And if you want to do that by computer, you can do a recursive way from horizontal direction. After you got a 3-member combination sublists, then you got 2 members. So you finish the combination for these 3 members. Then you get up the loop for this 3-member. You go to next 3-member. You find all the lists for this 3 number, then go to next one until you finish all of them. By doing this way, you can see there are some duplicates. And then we need to put the result to a set, filter all the duplicates out. Let's see how we do that by code. So by code, you can have 3 parameters. One is a full list parameter, and next one is a one which you already processed. Only at the first time, that is a full list, and later, this will be the list you removed pickup member. until the sub list you don't need to process. You get out for the loop. Then you also need a result set. So for the loop, you just go through each member in the list you wanted to process. Then get non-pickup members. Non-pickup members will be the sublist you are looking for multiple member sublists. The pickup member will be the single member sublists. You can put the single member sublists to the result list. And then you put a non-pickup list to the result set. For sublist, after you got a 2-member sublist, you don't need to go further. You can get out from the loop because next around will be single member sublist, and all single member sublist already be given by full list loop. So for full list loop, you need to find all the non-pickup list, even you have only 1 member there, you still cannot get out. You need to go through. This is because you have like a case which you have 2 members or 3 members in the given list, and you don't want to get out the loop too early without processing later single member in the main loop. This function needs to be triggered by a find subset function. And for the triggering function, you can have all the special case, such as empty given list or 1 member given list. So only 2 member given list, you need to do recursive function to find all members for the subsets. After you got a result set, you need to fill out the duplicate. So I tested subset for non-member, 1 member, 2 member, 3 member, and 4 member. Also members above 4 member, and I saw result is expected. Now this output shows you when I put 4 members, I got 16 subsets. From online, I can see someone is using backtracking way. So basically, which is a recursion with backtracking. That way has less code, but which is less natural because you have to use backtrack technique. And this way is a recursion without backtracking. So which is very easy to get the strategy. But the code is a little complicated. This is all the thing I wanted to share over here.